Welcome to Tech Reimagined, the podcast where we explore how technology is driving business transformation and resilience. At Glasshouse Systems, we've been helping businesses run mission-critical workloads for over 31 years, delivering enterprise-grade solutions that businesses can trust. Today, we're talking to the people who ultimately sign the check, the CFOs. Let's talk about a decision that looks pragmatic on the surface, but can become a long-term drag on business performance. Choosing VMware vSphere Foundation, or VVF, instead of VMware Cloud Foundation, VCF. VVF sounds like a safe bet. It includes vSphere and vSAN, so it seems like you're getting the essentials. But here's the truth. Most organizations that buy VVF only deploy vSphere. The rest? It becomes shelfware. You're paying enterprise-level pricing for software you're not using. No automation, no lifecycle management, no hybrid cloud capabilities, and every enhancement becomes a manual project. This means your infrastructure is stuck in a legacy, manually managed model. Labor costs increase, time to market slows, security is reactive, compliance is harder, and innovation takes a backseat to maintenance. Now let's contrast that with VMware Cloud Foundation. VCF is the full-stack integrated solution that brings automation, hybrid cloud readiness, centralized policy management, and real-time optimization into your IT operations. Everything is managed through a single control plane. No silos, no duplication of effort, and no surprises when it's time to scale. If your IT infrastructure budget exceeds $5 million annually, adopting VCF could deliver millions in value over just 3 years. That's through a combination of reduced labor, improved resource utilization, lower infrastructure over-provisioning, and faster time to market. We're talking about reducing total operating costs by 25% to 45%. That's not incremental, that's transformative. We've seen cycle times shrink by as much as 90%. What used to take weeks to provision now takes hours, or less. Automated patching, zero-touch provisioning, and policy-driven security mean your IT teams stop firefighting and start focusing on business enablement. And let's not forget about risk. VCF provides built-in compliance enforcement, micro-segmentation for security, and hybrid cloud capabilities that allow you to move workloads across environments without re-platforming or retraining staff. That flexibility is priceless when market conditions shift, or M&A activity requires rapid integration. Now you might be thinking this all sounds great, but what's the premium? Here's the kicker. The price difference between VVF and VCF is minimal, and in most environments, the ROI from VCF pays back in under a year. When you weigh that against 3 years of efficiency gains, cost savings, and agility, the financial case becomes crystal clear. Choosing VVF might feel conservative, but it's actually a risk. You're locking yourself into a manually operated future full of hidden costs and lost opportunities. At Glasshouse Systems, we help clients deploy VCF the right way, right-sized, automated, and fully aligned to your business objectives. We don't just modernize IT, we help you turn infrastructure into a strategic asset. That's it for today's Tech Reimagined podcast. If you're a CFO thinking about how to stretch every dollar in your IT budget, take a hard look at where the real value lies. Until next time, keep innovating.